NBA fans have always wondered why players miss their free throws. As people who are paid millions of dollars at their craft, it does not make sense that they would perform so poorly at shooting a free throw, which is easily the easiest shot in the game. Ravi and I have decided to investigate why certain people shoot free throws well and others do not.
It is known that good free throw shooters tend to have a high amount of arc on their shot, while bad free throw shooters tend to have a very little to no arc on their shot. In the first video, you saw Tiago Splitter, a career 67.5% free throw shooter who exhibited his lack of arc and failure to make the free throw. On the other hand, in the second video, you see Steve Nash, who is the greatest free throw shooter of all time at 93%. His shot has a lot of arc on it compared to Tiago Splitter's. Anu and I decided to see if this tends to be true at Maumee Valley. Alright, Anu. Alright, go ahead.
Alright. We use integrals to analyze the area under the curve made by the path the free throw traveled. A higher integral indicates that the shot had higher arc and vice versa. We use the Vernier video physics application on our iPads as well as Logger Pro to analyze our data using Riemann sums. We trace the path of the ball using the application. Then after setting a scale and the setting of the axis, we use the graph and data points generated by the app to calculate the integral of the shots.
We traced the path of the ball using the blue dots shown. Then the program gave us a graph. We generated the integral of the graph using Logger Pro, as shown here. Alright, go ahead.
So the data is convincing. The missed free throw average integral was 69.2 square feet, and the average integral of the made free throw was 87.5 square feet. There's a clear difference between the two, and there might really be a relationship between the arc of the free throw and the accuracy of the shot. However, we could have used more test subjects in order to have more conclusive results. From our sample, it seems to indicate that the higher the arc, the better the shots. Also, thank you, Mr. Hansen, for letting us do this instead of the exam.
Thank you, Mr. Hansen. You're awesome.
Thank you.
My dude.